If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle with no tools, stay watching for the tutorial. Hey, what's up fam? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, welcome. I am Zintle, and if we subscribe, thank you for the continued support. So in my get to know me video, I mentioned that the way that I curl my hair is to do Bantu knots. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to do Bantu knots on your locks. I'm doing this because it's that time of the year where I'm just like over everything and I'm starting a new project and there's just a lot going on. So I need my hair to be done for the week, for the work week. So that's why I'm doing these Bantu knots. I won't be taking them out. I think I'll take them out when I wash my hair. So yeah, this is a style that you can keep in your hair for the week, or you can actually keep it in for like however long you want. When I normally want to just curl my hair for an occasion, I normally keep it for like 1, 2, 3 hours, depending on how much time I have to make my hair curly. 1, 2, 3 hours is enough, but I will be keeping it in for the whole week because I need my hair to be done for the whole week and I need to not worry about it. So let's get into the tutorial. First things first, you're going to need a spray water bottle and some headbands. I have 3 here, and these are just going to be the headbands I'm going to use to keep the other sections that I won't be working with out of the way. So yeah, the first thing that I want to do is I want to spray my hair a little bit. So I'm going to be working in 4 sections. So it doesn't really matter how big your sections are, but just section your hair into 4 sections so that the hair that you aren't working with will be out of your way. And as I said in my retwisting video, you can use a comb should you choose to have like your parts more defined, but yeah, I don't really care for that defined parts look. So yeah, by all means, if you want your parts to be more defined, or if you're doing this hairstyle as a way to retwist your hair, which it really works if you also retwisting your hair like in this manner, it also works as a retwist. You'll just put whatever you're using to retwist on before you actually do the Bantu knot. But yeah, feel free to use this hairstyle as a way to retwist your hair as well. So yeah, as you can see, I just sectioned the hair off. So I'm going to start with this portion, and I like to work from back to front, which probably will end up making my front hair look janky because I'll probably be tired by the time I get to the front. So I like to work from back to front. So I'm gonna take this section of hair and then I'm gonna spray it again, because as you saw, my spritz wasn't really like that much. So I'm gonna spray my hair again to make sure that it is drenched, because this hairstyle, also depending on how much tension or how much pressure you put, this hairstyle is kind of a high medium-ish tension, a medium to high tension on your hair. So that's why I want to put as much water as possible on my actual hair before I actually start twisting away. But yeah, one thing that I can say is don't pull your hair too much, because first of all, it will hurt by the time you're finished, and also you don't want to cause like breakage and thinning, right? So how do you actually do the Bantu knot? Let me scooch. Okay, so you take one piece of hair. Actually, it doesn't matter how many pieces of hair you take, depending on the size that you want, but I just want like individuals. But you can totally take like a chunk and make a bantu knot. You can take like 3 at a time, 2 at a time, depending on how big you want them. I want them to be individuals. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a twisting motion like I taught you in my retwisting video. You're going to do a twisting motion, right? And then you're going to twist the hair around itself, like the whole thing. Make like a coil. So you're going to keep twisting. I'll show you how it looks when I get to the front. So you're going to keep twisting, twisting, twisting. And then the piece that's left over, you're going to tuck it inside the coil that you've made. And it comes out looking like a little button, right? So you're going to do the same motion for the rest of your head. So as you can see, we've reached pretty much the front of the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just spray my hair a little bit more, and then I'm going to work with this strand. As you can see, I'm just twisting the strand in the motion that I've just been doing the whole time. You just twist the strand, and then once it's twisted, you're going to then coil the hair around itself as shown. Okay, so I'm halfway done. I've done the side. And you're just going to do the same to the side, obviously. And I will come back once I'm done with the side of my hair. And all of my hair is knotted up. So as you can see, I'm done doing my whole head. And yeah, I did this hairstyle because I wanted my hair to be just out of my way so that I can focus on doing other things. So that's why I chose to do this hairstyle for the week. So I will be keeping it in for the whole week. And when I take it out, it's going to have like a nice curl pattern. So if you would like to see a video of me taking down my bantu knots and to see how the curl pattern looks like, then please give this video a thumbs up. Click the videos on your screen if you aren't caught up with all of my videos from my channel. But if you're a caught up girl, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.